This is horrific. You need to watch this. Elon Musk rocket ship blew up, and it did it over air where there were commercial flights. You can see the explosion happening from the perspective of someone in an airplane, a commercial airplane. Watch this. By the way, no one's going to be able to regulate this because Elon Musk controls the FAA. He fired the FAA administrator. This is one of the reasons why. And now we have literal rocket ships falling from the sky. And good luck just not being a plane.